Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Calculator and positioning it where you'll work. Tap Calculator from the dock or use Spotlight. This gets you immediate access. Once opened, drag the app to the right edge to engage Slide Over, or open another app and use Split View to run them side by side. Doing this makes calculations quick without switching screens. Make sure to pin Slide Over if you'll reuse it. This prevents accidental dismissal and saves time when you return to your workflow. Now you'll perform more detailed calculations using the scientific tools. Rotate your iPad or expand the calculator to reveal trig, log, parentheses, and power functions. These exist to reduce manual work and errors. Once done with an entry, swipe left to undo or tap the expression to edit a specific number instead of restarting. Also, copy a result or drag it into Notes or Mail to keep context. This preserves accuracy and speeds up reporting. To finish your session, clear entries and confirm totals before copying results. Use C for the last entry or AC to reset everything. If the calculator freezes or won't accept input, force quit the app from the app switcher and reopen it. This resolves most glitches. If problems persist, restart your iPad and check iPad OS updates. System updates often fix calculator behavior. One troubleshooting tip: long press the clear button to perform a full clear when numbers won't reset, which saves time and prevents data carryover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.